In this lecture, I am going to introduce our course theme, Technology and the Examined Life. Many of you, I'm sure, are wondering why you have to take a philosophy class. What even is philosophy, and what is the point of taking philosophy? And how possibly could philosophy be even relevant to your lives? We're going to address these questions later in week 2, especially the question about what is philosophy. But for now, I want you to know that I have chosen this theme on philosophy and technology because technology is something that is relevant to each and every one of our lives. Of course, it's relevant to our professional development. We're all going to use technology in our jobs, but thinking about technology, examining technology, reflecting on the human relationship with technology is also going to be relevant to every other aspect of our job, of our lives. And this is because technology is everywhere. It is embedded into every moment that we live. The human world is made possible by technology, as the world of the fish is made possible by water. Technology expands our world. It shrinks space. It transforms nature and the human relationship to nature and our human relationship to other humans. We have been thrown into a world, born into a world that is already and everywhere framed in by technological boundaries, electric grids and transportation systems, mass production and mass media. It is from within these technological worlds and ways of life that we have to figure out who we are and what it means to be human, and most importantly, how to live a good and meaningful human life. We inhabit this world of technology as the fish swims in water, and we pause to reflect and critically examine the nature of our technological habitat almost as often as the fish ponders the meaning and nature of its own liquid habitat. In this class, we will take a step back, pause, and examine the nature of technology. What is technology? What is humans' relationship to technology? How does technology shape our lives and our values? Does technology make us more free, virtuous, or happy? In a globalized world, does technology enhance or endanger human development or human flourishing? And since we cannot escape technology, we will ultimately ask, what kind of a world do we want to make with our technologies? This first week's sources will introduce some of the most significant technological innovations of our modern society. Our first source is an episode from the History Channel series Modern Marvels. This episode presents the assembly line as one of the most significant technological advancements in human history. For your second source, you can choose between The Social Dilemma, produced and available on Netflix, or The YouTube Effect, which is available for free through your SAU account on Canopy. Both documentaries present interesting perspectives on how the internet and social media shape our world, our values, and our understanding of what it means to be human in a technologically advanced society. Our third source for the week examines the role of artificial intelligence in creating the human world. An ABC News exclusive with CEO of OpenAI will get you up to speed on ChatGPT and how it raises important questions about what it means to be human in an increasingly technological world. For your fourth source of the week, you can choose between the documentary Human Nature, which you can rent from Amazon, or an episode of the docuseries Unnatural Selection. The first episode, Cut and Paste Life. This is available on Netflix. Both documentaries, and again, you can choose which one to watch, describe the new gene editing technology CRISPR and examine its implications for human lives. The final assigned source for the first week is chapters 1 through 3 of the novel A Brave New World by Aldous Huxley. This dystopian novel depicts a fully technologized society where even human beings are artificially created on assembly lines. The novel was published in 1932 and is widely regarded as being ahead of its time and even prophetic in its warning of the future we are rushing into blindly. It invites us to use literature and fiction as a lens through which to examine the nature of technology and our human relationship to it, as well as technology's world-shaping power. You will have the option of reading the text, listening to the audiobook, or, my recommendation, both. In summary, this class is all about examining the human relationship with technology. Though we inhabit a technological world, though technology is threaded into every dimension of the modern human experience, technology is often invisible. We swim through our technological world as fish swim through water. We reflect on or critically examine our technological habitat hardly more often than the fish contemplate their liquid habitat. This class asks you as students to pause and notice the water. Together, we will examine our human relationship with technology. With all of the technologies that have become so intertwined into every moment of our lives that they have become nearly invisible. And we will examine together important questions about the role technology plays in our lives. How does technology shape human relationship with each other, with nature? How does technology shape our values or the meaning of our lives? Does technology make us more free, more virtuous, better people, more happy? In a globalized world, is technological advancement the same thing as advancement in human development and human flourishing? These are all questions that I am excited to explore with you this semester as we think about technology and the examined life.